Alright guys, here is my unboxing of the new Xbox Series X. I got this bundle as a bundle, package as a bundle from Costco. Got a Costco membership, and they had the deal where you get pay $5.40 and you get the extra controller and the Xbox Series X. So I went with that, and this is my first time really opening it up. I opened it up just to take a peek, and I put some other stuff in there, like I got some rechargeable batteries that I want to put in there, and some thumb grips just to protect these. Let's protect these because on my old Xbox controller, these actually wore off after a while, so I figured it would be a good way to put those on and protect it from the beginning. So I guess I'm starting with the controller. This is the extra controller. I'm not sure if all the Xbox Series X controllers are black, how they come in, but yeah, let's look at this one. Feels a lot like the Xbox controller, and I could get you the Xbox One controller some comparison. Right, this is the OG Xbox One controller. This is the Xbox Series X. So just to draw some comparisons, you see I have the thumb grips on here. That's why these look a little big. But I did test to see if my aftermarket rechargeable battery packs work, and unfortunately guys, they do not work. It's not even just the one that I have, it's just the slot that they go in is just way different. As you can see here, there's like, you know, two outer grips and then one inner grip. Here you just have the two outer grips, and they're not even in the same place, so it just doesn't fit. So gotta go out and buy all new rechargeable battery packs, but it's whatever. I love the black, by the way. It goes back to the original. I was an original Xbox owner. The very first one I had it with the big X on it, and the weird controller. But this is a lot more sturdy. You don't feel any of that creakiness. You know, everything just feels real compact. Let's see, a little bit lighter. I don't know if it's because of the battery pack. I don't have batteries in these right now, but it feels a little bit lighter and sturdier. Buttons feel great. You know, I'm glad. I don't want too much difference. You know, the controller works, and I love it. Stick with it. I didn't make up my mind on Game Pass yet. I'm currently not a Game Pass subscriber. I like to buy my games. I don't want to go into any subscription. It just feels like once you get set up with subscriptions, you're stuck with them for the rest of your life. So I'm trying to stay away from subscriptions as much as possible for video games. And I'm not like a hardcore, heavy-core gamer. I'll tell you guys a story. I actually got my last Xbox. I haven't, for a while, I went like maybe 4 or 5 years without playing video games at all. I was just real focused on my career, and I didn't really have time. You know, I had small kids. I didn't really have time to deal with it. But like last year or the year before that, my nephew, he had a Xbox One that was broken or damaged somehow, and I worked close to the Microsoft store, so I figured, you know what, he's not using it, let me take it there, let me see if it's still on the warranty, let me see if they can fix it, maybe I'll use it. So long story short, they were able to fix it. I paid like $120, and they actually gave me a newer version with a larger hard drive. So the Xbox One I brought in was like 512 gigabytes, something like that. But I paid some money, and they did like a warranty exchange thing, repair, and they ended up giving me a 1 terabyte hard drive model. So I thought it was a good deal, and I've been with Xbox ever since. Let me get into this Series X. So let me go for this. This is how it opens, guys. This is what a presentation, right? You know, let's slide around the box a little bit. Lift it to the side. This thing is heavier. it's not no lightweight. Give you some detail about the chip. The new TV I have installed here, it does have VRR, it is 4K. It's not 2.1 HDMI, but that's not even really working right now, as far as I know. So I believe it's 4K, like 60 frames per second, whatever. You know, it's better than whatever I had, and I'm sure I'm gonna be like blown away. Anyway, yeah, so this is it. Opening up the box. This is Xbox Series X. And here it goes. Hey, oh man, this thing's like a brick. Jeez. All right, man. This is diesel though. All right. Let's see. Get this out of the way. And let's focus on the main attraction. You know what I mean? Focus on this main attraction. Power your dreams. All right, guys. So yeah, this is the HDMI cable that comes with the Xbox Series X. You can see right there, it says ultra high speed, and that's what I've learned is the labeling that they're going to go with for HDMI 2.1, ultra high speed. And I guess that's what you're going to have to be certified as ultra high speed cables. And just to compare, I thought I had some really quality cables before. These are monoprice, and these are called premium high speed cable. I don't know if you can see that, but they're from monoprice. They're the premium high speed HDMI cable with Ethernet. That's a whole different topic. That HDMI with Ethernet, I thought I was buying it and I would be able to get data over it. Maybe I just never had the right setup, but it never worked for me. I never knew what to do, but I got the cables anyway. Figured that you know, if I'm buying new HDMI cables, I might as well get the good stuff. Anyway, these are absolutely great quality HDMI cables, by the way. Monoprice, you get a good deal for them. I got like, I think a 5-pack or something like that, and they're great. But this is the new stuff. This is HDMI 2.1. They're calling it ultra high speed. And just for comparison, let's just see how the thickness is, what the head is like, and the thickness of this. So it is noticeably thicker. Doesn't really show up on camera that well, but it is noticeably thicker, and it is a very strong, high quality cable. It seems, you know, comes coiled nicely, but it straightens out. It's, how tall is it? It's probably like a 6 foot. Yeah, it's about 6 foot, 6 foot long. But yeah, it's a comparison. Let me set everything up, and I'm gonna plug this baby up and show you guys the, you know, startup screen and how it looks on this monster TV that I got. Whoa! Successfully detected. Alright, while that's doing that, guys, I'm just gonna show you a little bit about controller. I'll put some grips on there. This one matches. Then I got the thick grip. Makes my stuff a little unique, you know, and I think it gives me a better playing. It's always down, cramping up, and gives you a little bit of angle, you know. So I would say if you never tried any of the grips, just try to get one. This remote isn't configured yet; it's not connected. Waiting to do that after this update goes through.